Welcome back to CBS This Morning. The coronavirus pandemic is suddenly hitting harder in many parts of the United States. In fact, 31 states now report an increase in the average number of new cases. And one of the hotspots is in Wisconsin, which saw a record number of COVID-related hospitalizations just yesterday. Take a look at this time-lapse video showing a new medical facility being built at the Wisconsin State Fair Park. It's a facility that will admit patients who are not seriously ill, but still in need of care. And our Mola Lenghi is at the site. It's in West Allis, outside of Milwaukee. Mola, good morning to you. What are officials there doing to get this outbreak under control?
Well, good morning, Tony. As you mentioned, here's the field hospital here, 530-bed field hospital that health officials are planning to open sometime next week that will take in patients who need low-level care. Of course, that will hopefully help alleviate some of the burden, some of the pressure on Wisconsin hospitals that are currently operating at 85% capacity. This, as the state continues to add thousands of new cases every single day.
Wisconsin is in a much different and more dire place today, and our healthcare systems are being overwhelmed.
A sobering warning from Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers on Wednesday. Coronavirus hospitalizations here are up more than 70% over the last 2 weeks. And in some regions of the state, ICUs are at 90% capacity. Now, state officials say hospitals across Wisconsin are reporting imminent staffing shortages.
It's scary, and I'm scared of fatigue. I'm scared of losing nurses because they're getting fatigued and sick.
Jennifer Bozetsky is an ICU nurse at Ascension St. Elizabeth Hospital in Appleton, Wisconsin. She says while the state's new field hospital outside Milwaukee will help with bed capacity, Wisconsin's frontline healthcare workers are already stretched thin. She told us she's been working 16-hour shifts.
What's the message that you want to send out to folks in Wisconsin?
That it may not be affecting you right now, and you feel that in your bubble you're safe, but you know what? We thought we were safe how many months ago when our numbers went down, and now our bubble is bursting.
It's not just Wisconsin. 9 states reported a record number of coronavirus hospitalizations on Wednesday. And after Monday night's matchup between the Kansas City Chiefs and the New England Patriots, reigning Defensive Player of the Year Stephon Gilmore announced he had tested positive for the virus Wednesday. Gilmore was one of at least 3 NFL players to test positive yesterday. At least 4 NFL teams reportedly now have active cases on their rosters. And NFL Chief Medical Officer Dr. Alan Sills said yesterday the league could put the entire season on hold if the need arises.
We've said all along, every option's on the table. We've never taken any option off the table, which includes, as you said, some type of pause or reset.
Well, in a statement, Dr. Sills said that the league was not blindsided by this, that they expected positive cases all along, and that their approach has been risk mitigation, not elimination, Anthony.
Mola, thank you.